The connective leadership model goes beyond just exhorting people to be better leaders. It provides an underlying behavioral model that helps people understand the different behaviors that people use to accomplish their goals or to achieve their goals. And we call these achieving styles, and they're simply the behavioral strategies that each and every one of us learned from the time we were small in order to accomplish or achieve our goals and accomplish our tasks. And we traditionally learn things in a certain way, and we find we're good at certain behaviors, we have success with certain behaviors, so we tend to use those more and more, and we get better and better at them. But then we tend to neglect the ones that either we weren't so good at, or we didn't have great success with, and we tend to be sort of out of balance. Well, the connective leadership model is undergirded by a 9-factor achieving styles behavioral model that talks about 9 different behavioral strategies. And they're big categories. Each category can be enacted in many ways. For example, collaboration is one of the 9. But you can collaborate acting in many, many different ways. There isn't just one way to collaborate. And so there are thousands of ways. And so with each of the 9 styles, there are 3 sets of achieving styles, 3 major sets, and then 3 styles within each of those sets, so that you have a full complement of a 9-factor behavioral repertoire. And we can identify these behaviors and the degree to which leaders use them by using a number of assessment inventories that the Connective Leadership Institute has developed. Professor Harold Levitt at Stanford Business School, who is the father of organizational behavior in the United States, and myself, beginning in 1973, began to develop the very first instrument to measure individuals' achieving styles. But since that time, we have developed not only the individual assessment, but an organizational assessment. So we can look at an organization and measure the kinds of leadership behaviors or achieving styles that an organization values and rewards. And it's matched to the individual assessment, so we can look at the fit between individuals and organizations.